There were once three cows on a farm, one black, one white, and one brown. They lived together peacefully in a lush pasture. They were close companions and protected one another from predators. One day, a cunning fox approached them with a deceitful and evil plan. The fox knew he could not take them down together, so he decided to divide and conquer. First, the fox whispered to the black and brown cows, saying, "The white cow stands out too much. Its bright color will attract predators. If you let me eat the white cow, you will be safer." The black and brown cows, fearing for their lives, fearing for their safety, reluctantly agrees. The fox then dangerously devoured the white cow. 1 week later, the fox returned to the pastures after succeeding at his first deception. He turned to the black cow and whispered, "The brown cow is different from you. You don't need him. Let me eat him, and you will have more grass and space." Instead of realizing that one of his close allies and companions have been taken down innocently and by an extension of his own hands, the black cow again agrees, and the fox viciously and savagely devoured the brown cow. Finally, when the black cow was alone on the pastures, disillusioned that he had more food, space for safety, he saw the fox coming. It was at this moment that the black cow said to the fox, "I should have known that the moment you killed the white cow, I was already dead. I was already dead." With no allies to protect him, the black cow realized his mistakes, but it was too late. This story is a well-known Arab folktale that has been passed down through oral tradition. I actually learned the story from a friend of mine who was Arab and Muslim, a very wonderful person. His name was Ali. It is often told as a parable about unity, betrayal, and cunning deception, sometimes known as the three cows and the fox, or variations of that title. The tale serves as a lesson on the dangers of division and betrayal. It teaches that when people allow external forces to break their unity, they make themselves vulnerable for ultimate destruction. This story has been used historically as a political and social metaphor about the importance of solidarity and mutual protection against manipulation, deception, and injustice. The way I see it, we should never make decisions in fear. Important decisions need to be made with conscious, stable minds so that we can use the extension of our discernment to make conscious decisions. In the bigger picture of this story lies a truth. We are all humans like they are all cows, irregardless of our color, creed, or class. When injustices are being done to any of us, it is being done to all of us. We are never safe from the same impending doom travailing to our own doorsteps. When we look at others with an eye of difference, rather than seeing that we are one human race, we are more susceptible to infiltration by those who will deceive, lie, manipulate, smear, libel, kill to divide, rule, and conquer over us. And we can see that in the world today. It is time we see that any injustice to any human, anywhere, of any religion, or any nation, or any tribe, or any country is a direct threat to our own human safety. So, like and follow if you agree with this message. One love.